So hello there, we are back for another cooking session. Today I'm going to make some pork belly and chicken fried using an Actifry. So this time no oils involved in cooking. So here are the ingredients that I'm going to use. I'm just gonna use a little bit of milk for the mixture of egg. So here I'm going to use corn flour, some flour, any plain flour will do, garlic powder, we've got pepper here, ground pepper, sea salt, no it's not sea salt, it's Himalayan salt or any salt can do as well. So we've got panko breadcrumbs. I just like using this one, so I normally buy this one in Asian supermarket. So I'm gonna show you how to make this simple but delicious way of cooking pork belly and chicken fried. So I've got 10 tablespoons of plain flour in here. I'm going to get some corn flour. So I only needed 2 tablespoons of corn flour for this mixture. And just swirl it around. Just a sprinkle of garlic powder as well. And some pepper. Next is breadcrumbs. So we're just gonna pour some breadcrumbs here. Next is our egg mixture. Egg. So just cover it evenly and put it back in the egg mixture. Then in the breadcrumbs. So here I've got 3 pieces of chicken. We're gonna do the same thing. First in the egg mixture. And with the flour, just cover it up evenly, making sure that all the edges has been covered. And put it back in here again. Get one more mixture there. So this is our pork bellies now and chicken. This is the Actifry that I have. I have this one for 7 years now and it's still working great. So it says here 1 spoon of oil, but sometimes I don't actually use an oil because it doesn't need it really. So this is how it looks like. It's really old now, so you can just turn that on later. Let's just open this one first. So just press that and There you go. I don't normally use this one, so I normally take this off. There is a new version of this one. You can still check it out. But this is the first version that I have. So I just normally put some there you go. Okay, here we go. We have this one. Okay. So I'm just gonna put 4 pork bellies in here. And we have to cook this one for 30 minutes. So I'm gonna turn this on. Sorry, the noise. Just setting the timer now. Right, I'm just gonna set it for 30 minutes and let's check it after 30 minutes. Okay. So let's going to check the time. It has been 17 minutes. And we're gonna check how it looks like now. You just have to be careful because it's really, really hot. So this is how it looks like. Inside. And
Mommy. Mama, get it.
Just have to flip it to the other side.
Mommy, get it.
Yes, baby.
Mama, get it.
Okay.
Mama, get it. Hot.
There we go. Alright. Going to close this one again and continue cooking it. Coming back again. It has been only 6 minutes left. It has been 24 minutes. And I feel like it's cooked now, it's ready. There you go. Right, I'm gonna get them and show you how I make it. Here, I already sliced the pork bellies. These are some ways that I actually enjoy eating these things is by sprinkling some 5 spices. This is Chinese 5 spices. So you literally just sprinkle it over the meat. Like that, and eat it with the rice. Or I've got some Philippines vinegar here that I bought with me in UK. So this is the special vinegar. So you could just dip your pork bellies in the vinegar, or you could also add some soy sauce in it. So I've got this, just a normal soy sauce or any soy sauce that you have. So you could just like pour some in like that, just a little bit, and just dip your pork bellies in. And I've got a cup of rice here. Yeah, I'm going to enjoy eating now. Thank you for watching.